In the previous video, we learned how search engines work through crawling, indexing, and ranking. But have you ever wondered, how does Google decide which page should appear at number 1? The answer is Google algorithms. Google algorithms are basically a set of rules and formulas that decide for every search query which page is the most relevant and helpful. Every time a user searches for something, Google uses these algorithms to compare thousands of pages from its index and bring the best results to the top. These algorithms do not only look at keywords, but they also analyze content quality, backlinks, page speed, and overall user experience. Algorithm updates. Now let's talk about some important updates that Google releases from time to time to give users a better search experience. Some famous algorithm updates are these Panda Update, penalizes low quality or copied content. Penguin Update, detects spam backlinks and link manipulation. Hummingbird Update, helps Google understand context and search intent. Rank Brain, an AI-based system that learns from user behavior. Helpful Content Update, promotes content written for people, not just for search engines. Why it matters in 2026. In 2026, Google has become even smarter. With the help of AI and machine learning, Google now understands not just keywords, but the meaning and usefulness of the entire content. That's why, if you're doing SEO, instead of writing only for rankings, you should focus on solving users' problems. This approach will give you better long-term results. So in simple words, Google algorithms work like a digital judge. They evaluate every website and decide which page gives the best answer. In the next video, we will talk about types of SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. So continue the course, and I'll see you in the next lesson.